Hi, it's Eric with Globe Runner SEO, and I'm going to talk about press releases today. Press releases are a fantastic tool to reach your consumers. And one of the things that's great about a press release is it has a threefold advantage. Not only is a press release a great tool to reach the media, to get your word out about whatever your product or service is, but it also will improve your search ranking. Inside a press release, when we do it, always has links embedded in the press release. Those links are backlinks that build up and make your site seem more important in Google's eyes. So it's going to increase your search ranking, it's going to reach the media, and it's going to get into search itself. So the press release will rank for the keywords that we put inside that press release. So we can rank for some really competitive keywords with a press release and get you some great exposure. It's short-term exposure, but it's great exposure on some really top competitive keywords and really announce whatever product or service you're offering. So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you more about doing press releases as part of a search engine optimization campaign.